Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sara Ortiz and I am a professional makeup artist based in Toronto. In today's video, I want to show you step by step how I created this look. For this video, I give you two options, so you can choose between a metallic golden brown lipstick or a red lipstick. So depending on your personality or depending on what are you going to wear, you can choose which look best suits your personality. If you're interested to know how I created this look and how you can look beautiful and amazing this New Year's Eve, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumb up if you like this tutorial, and also follow me on Instagram at Makeup by Design Toronto. To speed up this makeup tutorial, I already applied my foundation, contour, blush, highlight, and also I did my brows because the focus of this video are the eyes and the lips. So the first step is using eyeshadow primer from Tonos Cosmetics. This is the long-lasting primer, and you need to use a little bit of this product. It's like a cream beige color, and it says that this is oil-free, super silky, and it has a HD effect. So the HD, it helps blur any imperfections and makes the eyeshadow application look flawless. So if you are into photography, if you are a makeup artist, or if you are somebody that wants their eyeshadow to last all day and look beautiful on camera, you gotta try this eye primer. Using my ring finger, I'm just going to gently warm up the product on the back of my hand, and I will apply on my eyelids. Make sure you cover your whole mobile lid and allow it to just dry a little bit. As I mentioned before, this product is very strong, so you don't need to use a lot. A little goes a long way. So make sure you coat all your mobile lid and very close to your lash line, so everything is well covered. To set your eye primer, it's important to use a loose powder, or you can use your eyeshadow. On this case, I will use my this palette from Morphe, the 35 palette, and I will use this color here. It's like a brown matte color, and I will use that one because it's closer to my skin color, and that will be my base. So grabbing a flat eyeshadow brush, I will grab some of the product, always shake the excess and press the product all over your mobile lid and wherever you applied your eye primer. Make sure your eyeshadow is distributed evenly. By setting your eye primer, this will ensure that your shadow won't crease and you will get a lot of color payoff, and it will last you all day long. Okay. Now that my eye primer is set, I'm going to use a eyeliner, and this is from Tonos Cosmetics. This is a black eyeliner, and what I like about it is like it has like a little it's like a marker eyeliner. So this for beginners is very good. You have more control about the way you apply your eyeliner. This is a long-lasting eyeliner, and the tip is very good to do precise eyeliner. So I'm going to start applying my eyeliner very close to the lash line, as close as possible, and looking straight into the mirror, just follow your lower lash to create your wing. And I'm going to continue to the rest of my eye. See how I'm making it very, very thin. So this product is very good for those who always struggle trying to get a thin eyeliner. This product will help you get that beautiful and flawless effect. And using a small pencil brush, I'm just going to smudge a little bit the edges, just to soften the eyeliner. Since this product is long lasting, it dries out very fast, so I'm just making sure it's a little smooth before it's too dry. And I'm doing it mostly on the outer corner where it's thicker. So once I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to use this metallic lipstick from Tonos Cosmetics. This is in the color golden brown, and I will apply this metallic lipstick on my eyelid as my eyeshadow base. I will apply very close to the eyeliner. I'm not gonna put it on top, just very close. If you saw my Christmas holiday makeup, you notice that I use a metallic lipstick also on my eyelid. The good thing about this product is that they are very versatile. You can use it on your lips, on your cheeks, on your eyes, and it looks beautiful. And after applying the product, I will use a flat brush just to distribute the product all over my mobile lid. Just try to go very close to your lash line, your eyeliner, sorry. And I will drag it also towards my brow. So you may ask, why are you putting your eyeliner first? Because I wanted the color, my eyeliner, to be very black. Sometimes when you add some metallic or glitter first and then you add your eyeliner, it may change the color, and I want my eyeliner to be very matte and black, so that's why I'm doing it this way. And I'm also bringing it close to my brow bone, but just leaving a little bit under my brow without any product. And now to just help me reduce that gap between the metallic lipstick and my eyeliner, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow with a very small pencil brush. Using a black eyeshadow to fix and perfect your eyeliner is very good, because usually when you try to fix it with the eyeliner, you ended up having a very strong and thick line. But if you use a small pencil brush like this one here, and you use eyeshadow, the effect will be, you will have more control, and it will be easier to reduce the gap, and it will look more flawless. So I'm using this one in a black eyeshadow. Always make sure to check the excess, because on this case I already have my foundation and concealer and I don't want to ruin my makeup. So I'm just going to make sure I check the excess, and I start applying the black eyeshadow just on the areas that I notice that is a little bit uneven, or when I see some gaps between the eyeliner and the shadow. By doing this technique, you will also get a very dark and matte black eyeliner. Now, just to soften the edges, I'm going to use a blending brush just to soften this area, because it looks more blended, and you don't want to see harsh lines. So for example, here you can see the line. You want to make sure it isn't soft and blended. Now, just to give a little bit more shine and shimmer to my eyeshadow, and also to help set the metallic lipstick, I'm going to use this from the same palette. I'm going to use a color that is similar to my metallic, and I will use this one here. I'm going to use my finger, my ring finger, to set the metallic lipstick, and also just to get a little extra shine. And you can see right away how this one looks brighter and shinier compared to this one here. And by using your fingers, you have more control of the glitter, and I find that when you apply with your fingers, it's easier and looks nicer, shinier. The key is just to press very softly, just tiny touches. I'm going to use this second lighter color. Just this one has a little bit of shimmer just under my brows, just to lighten my eyes. See how lighter and brighter it looks, just by adding a little bit of highlight and a tiny bit here. Go back with your blending brush just to soften that highlighter. Now for my bottom lash, I'm going to use this matte brown. It's very similar to the eyeshadow, just to add some dimension to my lower lash. And I'm using a flat brush to do this. Applying it on my lower lash. I'm using black eyeshadow just in the outer corner to connect with my wing, just in this area. I'm not gonna drag it all the way in because it's gonna close my eyes. I'm just gonna keep it on the corner. I'm going to add some mascara just to lift my eyes and on my lower lash as well. If you want to take this makeup look to the next level, add some false lashes. I just added some Ardell lashes, and see how instantly you get a more dramatic and more sophisticated look using false lashes. These ones are not too heavy and not too dark, so it just gives you a little bit more volume and lift to your eyes. And to finish up this look, I'm going to do my lips. And I'm starting with a nude lip liner from Tonos Cosmetics. We'll just overdraw my lips a little bit, just to give my lips some definition. And now I'm using my metallic brown, golden brown, to finish this look. So the same one that we use on the eyes. So here you have the final look with my metallic golden brown and lips. As you can see, very easy to do, and it will make you look different and, you know, just something out of the normal. So this is like a very glam makeup, and you are good to go. If you're looking for something a little bit more classic, you can try using a red lipstick. I'm using the Red Party lipstick from Tonos Cosmetics. This is a matte lipstick, and even though it's matte, it's very comfortable to wear. So I'm going to show you. I'm using a lip liner in nude just to define my lips. Ooh, I like this one better. You have the option number 2. So you get to choose if you want something more classic with a red lipstick, or you can choose something a little bit more dramatic, more metallic for this new year. So thank you once again for watching this video. I hope you learn new tips and tricks about makeup so you can look beautiful this New Year Eve. I want to wish you the best in this 2021, and Happy New Year, everybody. See you next year. Bye.